Hi guys, with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how you can take it out the radio. This is the Toyota Prius 2009, and I'm gonna take this right there, the radio and CD player, and yeah, we need to take it all the parts underneath the place, and I will show you one by one. So what tool we're gonna use? This is the tool that I will use, auto trim and molding tool set that I will use it, and also 10 millimeter socket, and I will use this, and then Philip screwdriver and straight one, and yeah. But this tool, what I did, and this was the side way, and I just took out this, and what you do from here to here, there is a holes there, just you pulling, now then it comes out, and just put this one, and what are you gonna do? Just pull this, and you see, or you don't need to pull, just put it sideways like this. What happened and what I did also, I took out the negative cable of the battery in case when I touch somewhere, I don't want to mess up anything. So that's another tip. I'm gonna take it out the battery. So continue to take it off the other parts. So after that, you just put this tool underneath and just take it out. That's why, as you see, put it side, and then there is a two screw here. One here is here, one is here. Then just take it out screw. Careful, not drop it. And put side, and this is two. Okay, this is gone. All right. Side. One is yeah, both of them is same size. What we're gonna do, and this comes together. So just pull it, and right there, pull it a little bit here too. Just pulling, as you see, it comes out here. That's the same thing, like this. And where is it? Okay, right there, right there. It's came out. So I don't know if you wanna take it out, all this behind the cable. You can take it out. In my case, so what I'm gonna do, I will not take it out. Actually, I'm gonna let it go this way, and I'm gonna go ahead work the other part. I'm gonna take it out. This, what happened? This, you just pulling, and here the pulling too. What happens? Hold on. I think this is gonna come out too. Hold it. See here. Okay, we're just pulling. Don't force so much, just pull it. First this is gonna come out. Alright, this is came out, but I will not taking out the cables behind this. I am gonna let it go and then pull it this. And this is also, there is a cable behind it. Maybe I can take this one out. Let's see if I can. Okay, maybe not. I just let it this. Let me see what I can put. Maybe I can do this, right? Alright, let me think on that. So what you do? Just pull from bottom, take it out, and then pull it from the top, and then it comes out. So far so good. After that there is a screw here and here. You have to take it out this. Then after that you will take it out to screw here. I mean it's not the screw, socket. And yeah. Let's get the two screw from here. Okay, this is 10 millimeters socket, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna take it two screw here, and then what I do with this electric tape, I just go around like this, then just put it inside like this, and because it might fall down, we don't want it that it falls down. Okay, just turn it. Right, let me see. Oh, it's okay. I can use my finger. Okay. Slowly. Here you are. Just put it side and then. Okay, the other one. Right here. Yeah, with my finger. Slowly take it out, and yeah, put it aside, and let me see. Yeah, when you pull, it comes out, and what happened? Oh, a lot of cables. Let me see. I'll put this side. I don't want to touch now. Our goal is a lot of money. Sure. Okay, what we're gonna do now, take it out these two screw, and after that there is another right here, three screw there, as you see. Right here, three screws. Wow, that is tight. Okay, this is one. It's a little harder to reach. Oh, I don't want to lose. Let me use this side. Okay. Let me use this. Is it? No. Alright, hold on a minute. So, I took the 3 screws from here, and I'm gonna take it from here. 2 screws. Right there. Right there. One more screw here. Okay. 2 screws. Then you're pulling, and this comes out too. Look at this. This side goes inside. There. Here. All right. Now all the monies are here. Let me get all the monies. Hey, I'm rich now. All right. All the monies goes here. Okay. What else? Oh, see, 2 more screw here. So what we're gonna do? Slowly and surely. Okay. It's not coming out. I'm gonna use this guy. Yeah, that's it. That's it. As you see, right there. And now I use my finger or screwdriver. Flip. That's it. It's coming. One is here. There's the. Okay. This is bottom. This is top. I can change the place. And what's the next? Next, I think we're gonna pull it, right? Let me see. Is there anything? All right, this is it. This is the way it is. Right there. Here's the window. Oh, come on. Right there. This is the one. Yeah. What we're gonna do? We're gonna take it out. These 2 cables, and we're gonna replace the with the new one. So which means everything fine. When you put the new one and reassemble the all together, what I show you, and then you're gonna reverse the thing, and you put exactly how you took it out. So yeah, this is it, and thank you for watching, and blessing to you guys. All right, that's it. All right, bye bye.